Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of It's About Everything. So in today's episode I'm going to show you what's inside a Mosquito zapper. So this racket does not work anymore, and you can see it has a little bit of crack on the bottom side because it fell from my hand. So the charging mechanism is very simple. The plug just pops out and you plug it in and it charges. So it does not work anymore. The flashlight does not lights, and the main function, the zapper action, it does not works anymore. So I'm going to fix it. So I don't know why a flashlight is given in this racket, maybe to spot the fly or mosquito before you kill it. So maybe it's for that reason. Anyway, let's try to activate it. So as you can see, when I plug it in, the LED just lights up and then quickly it goes off, and you can see the green LED, it's lighting. So the green LED is to show the charging process, and the red LED is when you activate the high voltage section. So here I'm trying to short out the high voltage side, and you can see there is no spark, nothing at all. So probably it's not battery problem, but it could be a battery problem, and maybe the circuit has a little bit problem as well. So we will only know about it when we open it. So you can see here, as I click the power switch, the voltage immediately drops. So maybe there is a short circuit inside. Okay, so the grill appears okay, there is nothing shorted out, but it's just a visual inspection. So it looks fine from both the sides. Okay, so let's open it. So it's just a couple of screws. So this is the main circuit, and the battery is a 4-volt lead acid battery. So previously they used to give nickel cadmium batteries, but now lead acid batteries. So this is the button, and the top button is a slide button. So you can see if I click it, it works, but if I slide it down, it sort of prevents it from getting clicked. So this is how you can say it's the safety switch for the high voltage, and the LED works directly from the battery from a different switch. So the circuit is very simple, and basically these type of circuits are based on Joule thief type of circuits, which is basically a feedback oscillator which uses a single transistor, a resistance, and a transformer. So these type of circuits are pretty similar to those type of Joule thief type of circuits. So the circuit is held by one screw, and I have opened it up, and now you can see the circuit is coming out. So this is the circuit that you can see. Sorry for the shaky camera movement. So this is the high voltage capacitor, 223J, 2 kilovolt. So the output voltage is around 2000, maybe around 1000 to 1500 volts, I'm not sure now. So the circuit is divided in two parts. So from the transformer towards the top section, it's high voltage, and below it's the oscillator and the charging circuit, which is low voltage. And the charging circuit is also very simple. It's based on a series capacitor and some diode bridge which charges up the battery, and a singular switch which operates the high voltage section, and the LED is connected directly with the battery. I will show you in more details just about in a moment. So to explain it to you more elaborately, I need to disconnect all the cables. So the circuit appears all right. So I'm going to check the battery and then I'm going to check the circuit. If any components goes bad, then it will not work. Okay, so the circuit is free now. So towards the right side there are 3 capacitors, 2 blue color and 1 red, and 3 diodes. They act as a voltage doubler and they double up the voltage that the transformer outputs. So here you can see on the left side is the charging circuit and the oscillator circuit, and on the right side is the high voltage section or the voltage doubler. So all this capacitor charges up in parallel and then discharges in series, and in this way they double up the voltage and stores it in the big capacitor. And here you can see this is the button that controls the high voltage. The green LED indicates the charging and the red LED shows that the high voltage section is activated. So I will give you a more detailed analysis of this circuit. I will show you a circuit diagram in my next video, so stay tuned. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video with the circuit diagram. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.